So for today's look, I'll be showing you guys how to basically do your brows. It's real time, so I didn't speed anything up. So right here, I'm just putting on some moisturizer on my face because after the brow tutorial, I actually did a full face. So you guys can see that. So you guys can look out for that video as well. Yeah, so just putting on some moisturizer on my face. Moisturizer on my face. Yeah. I did have some music listening to, guys, so if you do see me like moving my mouth, I'm not getting crazy. I promise you I am just listening to music and singing along. Next I'm going to put on my primer, and I am using the LA Pro. I think that's what it's called. It's the LA Pro primer, so that's what I'm putting on my face next. Just trying to get it all in. It's not a mattifying primer. I do have a mattifying primer, but I'm not using that one today. And for this one, I don't know, it does have a silicone base or a silicone feel to it, but it doesn't really get me matte, so I can get oily or whatever through this primer. Alright, so starting off, I use this spoolie to basically get all my brow hair in place. Yeah, that's just what I'm doing here. After which I follow up with my dark brown pencil. I use it to outline under my brow, and I do light strokes to do this. After which I'm also going to outline the top of my brow. So that's just a technique that I use. Outline the bottom of my brow, outline the top of my brow. And as you guys can see, I do have hair on my brow because I am not the one to shave off all my brow and then I don't have anything left. Like, that's not me. That's not how I roll, because I'm not always in makeup, and I would like, when I'm not in makeup, I still have eyebrows. Alright, I'm using the spoolie here just basically to blend the product as into my brow, so it's not there's any harsh lines there. Basically repeating the same thing to my second brow. For this one, I did overdraw this brow a little bit, but that's okay because I can use my concealer to correct it. And right here, I was just basically comparing it to my other brow to ensure that they're at least sisters, not twins, but at least sisters. Alright, still trying to fill in any sparse areas in my brow. As you can see, it's not like a block of product that I'm using in my brows. I still want it to look natural. I still want you to see the fact that my brow is made of hair and not just straight pencil. Using the spoolie here again to combine the product into my brow, or combine the product and my brow. Alright, right here I'm going to start cleaning up my brow using my LA Girl concealer. The color that the shade that I have it in is in Fawn. I personally think Fawn is too light for me. However, when it is that I'm going to do like use eyeshadow or do some sort of a dramatic look, I like to use Fawn because Fawn gives me that highlighted brow. But if I was just going to do like a simple look, which you guys will see in another video, maybe just a look to go to work, I wouldn't use Fawn. I would use either Chestnut or Toast. But because I know I was going to do a full face, or I'm going to use eyeshadow after this, I used Fawn. So basically I'm just blending the concealer under my brow here. I followed my natural brow so it wasn't too much to clean up. I didn't go like overboard with it. Next, I'm using my flat top brush by Klean color, and I'm just going to use that to blend. Just a whole lot of blending going on here. Basically now I'm just going to repeat the same thing on my second brow, that is cleaning it. I used the same Fawn. Alright, what am I saying? Alright, let's get it together. In order for me to prevent myself from using Fawn then using Chestnut, I outlined the bottom of my brow for both brows, because I didn't want to go into Fawn and then come back into Chestnut. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Alright, so when I do my initial outline of under my brow, I tend to drag it down. That's basically just to have it blending, because obviously you can't have the concealer just sitting under your brow. So just to blend it out a bit, I tend to drag it down with the brush that I'm using before I go in with a blending brush. Alright, and I really don't like to allow the concealer to sit too much under my brow, because this dries a little bit fast. I'm hiding my face right there, and I realized I was hiding my face right there. Yeah, so I really don't want to allow the concealer to sit for too long. I don't want it to get cakey. I don't want it to be hard to blend out, and that's why I try to blend as soon as possible. Checking both my brows, seeing that okay, something I'll go on this up. Alright, indicating to you guys that I'm going to do my top part of my brows using Chestnut. So that's basically what you guys are going to see right now, me using Chestnut to do the top part of my brow. look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.